Ballistic protection begins with precision. Every helmet starts as a carefully engineered composite, shaped under extreme pressure and controlled conditions. Elmali Engineering develops high-pressure hydraulic forming systems designed specifically for ballistic helmet production. Our presses deliver the force, temperature stability, and accuracy required for defense-grade composite shaping. Whether aramid, UHMWPE, or hybrid composite structures, our technology ensures consistent forming, reliable curing, and repeatable results for military, police, and tactical applications. Each system is engineered for long-term durability and precise process control. Temperature, pressure, and cycle parameters are fully adjustable, allowing manufacturers to meet strict ballistic performance standards. Production lines can be customized to match your required capacity. With a single forming line, manufacturers can produce up to 20 ballistic helmets per day in a single shift, depending on material and mold configuration. Our presses are built to deliver consistent shell geometry, uniform thickness, and stable mechanical properties, essential factors for reliable ballistic protection. Elmali Engineering, advanced forming technology for ballistic protection, engineered for precision, built for reliability, designed for the demands of modern defense manufacturing.